guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to do a day in the life with her as a sister at night. So first I need to go get water. I need to go get some water because she just drinks water at night. So let's go get some water. Okay, it's pretty dark up here. There we go. Ooh, that's pretty lighting. Guys, don't do the room. It's kind of messy right now. At the moment, it's pretty messy. Okay, let's get the water. Okay, we have the bottle. I'm gonna show you guys those words. Has me on it, and I 7. Okay, back to the dark area. Okay, lighting again. Go. Okay, get the water. Time to go refill. Time to go refill. This. Okay, don't look at those names. Okay. Mama? Eh. Okay, so I'm done with the water. And now she has another request. She's trying to teach me Afrikaans. Guys, who knows Afrikaans? Like, oh my gosh. Apparently this is wrong. Goeiemôre, juffrou die Bach. Okay, and you're supposed to say goeiemôre, juffrou die Bach. What's die Bach again?